Hey all my dear students, this is the question which has to be challenged. I will give you each and every proof. I will give you the proof from the Morrison and Biot. I will tell you why some teachers are saying that side chain oxidation will not take place because there is electron withdrawing group. I will give you the proof of this also. I will give you why the NCERT has given only second as the answer, but actually the answer is both 2 and 3. I will give answer of each and every question. These documents you can take as yes in the support of challenging. Now how to challenge the question, that is the first priority. Now my dear students, see, this is the public notice. Provisional answer key of National Eligibility Cum Entrance 2026, that is out. Now you see, only focus over here. The provisional answer keys for the question paper all series are uploaded on the NTA NEET website. This is the website. Now what they are saying, candidates can challenge the provisional answer keys after the scanned OMR answer sheets. That means NTA will put up there on the NTA website all the scanned copies of answer sheets, because it is going to take too much time. But you know, just in 2 or 3 days they have released the answer key, so they are moving very fast. So what they are writing, the schedule of the uploading of OMR sheet and challenge round will be notified separately. And now candidates are advised to visit the official website of NTA. This is given over here. Now here you can challenge the question. They will let you know when to challenge the question, just within 2 or 3 days that might be coming. Now not I'm going to waste too much time. This is given each and everything, you can go over there, but my target is to tell you how this question is 100% correct. Now first of all, I will let you know why examiner has given second as the answer. So see why examiner has given second only as the answer. This is exactly the question which has been asked from NCERT. If you see, this question is given in NCERT. The page number which I am having NCERT, it's 3062. This is the page number 3062 which I am having. This NCERT I am having, and they have given this question, and each and everything is given over there, right? According to this, India's 99.99% teachers, they have given only second as the answer. Second is the answer. They have given that second is the answer of that question, because the examiner has taken this question from here. But my dear students, there is one major mistake made by the examiner, that while giving the options, examiner has selected randomly the options and he has not cross-checked, or while preparing the answer he must be having in its brain that benzaldehyde gives both tolerance and Fehling's test. What, let me tell you my dear students, benzaldehyde gives positive tolerance test but negative Fehling's test. Now why this third is also the answer, now let me tell you why third is also the answer. This is your Morrison and Biot, the book Morrison and Biot. First let me show you. This is the Morrison and Biot. People call it to the god of chemistry. Now let me remove this cover so that you can This is Morrison and Biot. Can you see Morrison and Biot? Now this page copy I have taken from this Morrison and Biot. Let me show you the page number also. The Morrison Biot is 6th edition. That's given, you can see here 6th edition written. 6th edition written. And now see the same page. Let me show you the same page. You see, can you see this one over here? Just see. Same page. Can you see the same page? Now it's the same page, right? Now it's visible, I think. Just see. Now is it visible? Visible. Can you see? Everyone just see to it. The same page I have taken over there. Now my dear students, What they are writing, that although benzene and alkene, first let me tell you, the teacher said that because there is electron withdrawing group. Let me show you. In the third one, there is benzaldehyde. This CHO is electron withdrawing group, EWG group, and that's why this methyl will not show side chain oxidation. मेरे प्यारे बच्चा लोग, आधे दुश्मन तो आपके टीचर ही हैं. वो चाहते ही नहीं है, they are not thinking that you should get marks, and the lack of knowledge, the people, 99% people, they are saying that side chain oxidation will not take place because of electron withdrawing group. First, let me show you that in this book, this is given NO2, nitrotoluene, and nitro is better electron withdrawing group than CHO. This is minus I as well as minus M, that is minus R, just like CHO, and it is better because there is only one oxygen. Here you are having one nitrogen and two oxygen. And three, the K2Cr2O7, this K2Cr2O7 forms chromic acid. And let me show you this chromic acid, NCU. Side chain oxidation, benzoic acid has been formed. So my dear teachers, those who have said that because of electron withdrawing group side chain oxidation will not take place, you see this is Morrison and Biot, and this is the heading given over there, and I've shown you the Morrison and Biot. Every teacher must have studied Morrison and Biot. Then why you are talking like this? Why you are damaging students' career? The examiner has given one answer because he has just copied that question from the NCERT, but you are knowledgeable, you are having knowledge. Why you are talking like this? Why you are not supporting students? Now, my dear students, see, another question. People are saying drastic condition is given over there. Drastic condition. So see, here also drastic condition is given. The side chain is oxidized around the group. Only carboxylic acid remaining there, indicating the position of original. Potassium permanganate generally is used. Potassium permanganate is generally used for this purpose. Although potassium dichromate or dilute nitric acid can be used, oxidation of side chain is more difficult. However, the oxidation of alkene and requires prolonged treatment with hot KMnO4. Hot KMnO4 and prolonged. Prolonged means what? Either you can say vigorous oxidation prolonged, or you can say drastic condition. Whenever you are using strong oxidizing agent along with heat, that is prolonged or vigorous oxidation or drastic condition, whatever the word you can use, and see it has happened. Now see, my dear students. Now let me show you. This is from alkyl benzene. This I have taken from NCERT. From NCERT, now see what NCERT is writing. Alkaline potassium, the entire side chain oxidation, irrespective of that, does not affect as substitute alkenes are oxidized to carboxylic acid. And KMnO4, they have given, and potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7, alkaline potassium permanganate entire, and chromic acid. See the word chromic acid, either chromic acid or you can write K2Cr2O7 acidic medium. This is exactly chromic acid, H2CrO4, and heat is given. Heat, this heat is indicating that it is drastic condition. My dear students, now see each and every one. I've shown you each and everything. Now see RCHO, aromatic aldehydes do not respond to this test. Which test? Fehling's test. Now the mistake, big mistake, major mistake done by the examiner is that he was having in his brain that RCHO gives Fehling's test and Tolling's test. RCHO, if it is aliphatic, if it would have been aliphatic, it would have given Fehling's test, but aromatic aldehydes do not respond to this test. So my dear students, see, I have shown you the proof. Morrison and Biot, Robert Thornton Morrison and Robert Nielsen Biot. This is the god of organic chemistry book. Now, my dear students, so answer, both are the correct answer, this as well as this. My dear students, I would like to say this is better answer than that second. This third one is a better answer than that of second. Why the whole country is just focusing on second one? Because rectification, because this question is given in NCERT aldehyde and ketone book, and the answer is given like this. I'm fully agreed that this is the answer, but why you have given third as the option? I'm asking to NTA, If third answer would have not given, then definitely second will be the answer, but you have given third option 100% correct. So everyone has to challenge it. I will come with more such type of things, proofs in your favor, my dear students. Now it's your work, it's your work. The whole country, you have to support those students, those who have marked third answer. And let me tell you, you have to support those students as well, those who have not marked this question, because they must be in panic, that they must be thinking second is also looking like the correct answer and third one is also looking like the third answer. So they have left this question, they should also get the marks. It's my humble request, my dear students. If anything you want to ask, and it's my humble request to all the teachers, please support students, because the second and third both are the correct answers. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.